What is up, guys, and welcome to another new Tool Tuesday. Today we are talking about this Kobalt 3626910 little flip light. I just happened to be going through Lowe's and I saw this thing and I thought it was kind of neat. It was bright enough, so I snatched it up. It cost about, I think it was like $15. What you get in the package is pretty basic. You get the light, directions, charging cable. I don't know how long it takes to charge. I just plugged it in the truck, and well, that was a couple hours ago, and I just noticed it was charged up. So basically it's like that and flips out all the way to straight up. Watch your eyes. I appreciate how bright it is, and I appreciate the fact that it's magnetic, and as you can see, you can kind of stand it up and light stuff up. I was actually doing a job where I had to see something, and I had to hold my flashlight with one hand and work with one hand, and it was irritating. So I was able to take this and lay it on a ledge that lit up everything underneath it. So that was wonderful. It is dimmable. I'm still trying to figure out how to, oh, see, it's, there you go. So that's the lowest setting. It shows a 9-hour battery life on the lowest setting and a 4-hour battery life on the highest setting. Don't know if I said this, it is 400 lumens. It is a IPX4 water resistant, 1 meter drop resistant. Comes with this fancy little blue charge cable. I don't know if it's any good or not, but anyway, it's gonna be, oh, and did I tell you? It's magnetic. It's not a super strong magnet, but it's enough to hold the light. I'll show you up here. Yeah, it's enough to hold the light. And to see if it holds the light all the way extended out. Yeah. So, see, that's great. I'm going to give it some rigorous use. It does not close when you close the light like these guys do. I don't know. Oh, yeah. Okay, so you could see that's on. When I close it, it shuts off. This does not do that. It stays on, but that's okay. I'm going to keep it in my truck. I'm going to use it for work and see how it works out in my experience now. I'm just going to throw this disclaimer in there. I have not been pleased with any... I got to think about this. I've not been impressed with any Kobalt stuff that I've purchased. That's just what it is. It's the truth. So hopefully this will change my mind. Anyway, guys, this has just been a real quick new Tool Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you next time.